Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Notion database to Make. First, navigate to Make and create a new scenario. Select Notion as your initial module. You will then need to authorize Make to access your Notion workspace, granting permission to your databases. After authorization, choose the specific Notion database you intend to automate. This foundational step is crucial for building powerful, integrated workflows between your Notion data and other applications, saving you valuable time and effort. Once your Notion database is connected, the next step is to set up a trigger. This defines when your automation will start. For example, you might choose to trigger the scenario whenever a new item is added to your Notion database. Be sure to specify the exact database. After setting it up, always test the trigger to confirm it accurately detects changes. You can also add filters to ensure only specific Notion items activate your Make scenario, providing precise control over your automations. With your trigger configured, you can now define the actions your automation will perform. Add subsequent modules in Make, connecting to other applications like Google Sheets or Slack. The critical part here is data mapping. Link specific fields from your Notion database to the corresponding fields in the target application. Make also offers tools to transform or format data, ensuring it's presented correctly. Always double-check that data types match between Notion and the receiving application for seamless and accurate information transfer. Before deploying your automation, thorough testing is essential. Run your entire Make scenario with actual Notion data to ensure every step functions as expected. Review the execution history in Make to pinpoint and resolve any errors or unexpected behaviors. Once you are confident in its performance, activate your Make scenario to run automatically, either instantly or at scheduled intervals. Remember to monitor your automations regularly to ensure they continue to operate smoothly and efficiently, providing consistent value.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.